back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite black girl YouTuber, and if it's not yet, then it will be soon. I'm actually filming 2 videos today, so we'll see which one gets out first. Probably the second one. I don't know, we'll see. But today we are gonna do my updated everyday makeup routine slash like no makeup routine. To be honest with you guys, I've been doing this for like the past 2 days, and it actually looks really good. So I want to share it with you guys. I'm thinking about getting new products, so if you guys have any suggestions or any recommendations, please let me know, because I don't know, I feel like my camo concealer is like too matte. We'll see how the finished look comes out. Like I said, I've been doing this for the past 2 days and I like it, so I just want to share it with you guys. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer. Since it's gonna be all about the face, and this is how my skin is looking right now, guys. I know you probably see like little hairs on my face. It's like so annoying, and my eyebrows needs to be freaking done. I think I'm gonna do that tonight. I'm gonna do my eyebrows tonight, give myself a little facial. I have the time, so why not? I have a video of how my skin used to look when I started my whole skincare routine. That's when school first started, so like getting back into, you know, being out in the sun and stuff. So I'm much more like brown now compared to how I was, but I feel like my skin looks really good. But I honestly don't know. I'm not even gonna try to lie to you guys. I don't know how my skin looks compared to how it used to. For me personally, it takes me a long time to see a difference. So like, especially like when it comes to my skin or when it comes to my hair, like I will not see a difference until I compare 2 pictures. But let's just get started. First things first, we're going to prime the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. And I don't use a lot because I literally don't even use foundation. And it's like I want to try using it, but I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna put it all right here. I literally just put it where I apply my makeup at, all on my cheek. Somebody needs to tell me not to be so scared of putting makeup on my forehead. But I don't know, my forehead is just so strange. Like, so my face is obviously not one whole color, but my forehead, I'm just like, no, leave you alone. I'm gonna just let you be. But I have been putting like a little bit of product on my forehead just so that it looks, you know, like it matches. But I get above the eyebrows, on the forehead. While that dries, I start to brush up my eyebrows because they have a mind of their own. So I literally just start to brush them up, get them formed into how I want them to be. Because my eyebrow hairs are super long. Like, I'm gonna give a freaking, like, y'all look at the freaking eyebrow hairs. I have to give myself a little eyebrow hair trim. This is not it. I brush them straight up. All of that up here needs to be cut. For now, we're just gonna curve them over to the side. And I do have a little bump on my eyebrow, and I'm assuming it's from the eyebrow gel that I use. Like, why else would I have a bump on my eyebrow? It's obviously something. I do the same thing to this side. I've been forcing myself to use the back camera because I want good quality videos. So if I want that without having to spend the money for a camera right now, then I have to use my back camera. Okay, so actually I'm gonna decide to just do my eyebrows already. They're already brushed, and I use the e.l.f. Brow Lift for my little gel. Please put me on another eyebrow gel because I've been using this one for the longest. I literally need a new one. But I want to try like a different product. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know in the comments, please. Thank you. I don't put too much because I don't like having too much product on my eyebrows. Do the same thing to this side. Eyebrows are done. But what I like to do now is I get my baking powder from Revolution in the shade Banana. I get a little bit of the baking powder, a little bit, guys. Literally whatever is on the top. Then I just dab it on top of my eyebrows because I hate a glossy eyebrow because it looks sweaty. There's like barely any product on here, so I'm probably gonna have to redo it, but that's what I do for it to not look so glossy. Now let's get started with the real deal stuff. Get my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut. I think I'm running out actually. I've had this for a while. I kind of use the concealer as a foundation, so I put the concealer where I wanna cover up, which are, you know, acne scars. So I put it like that, just 3 little swipes. You know, I don't need that much because I'm trying to keep it natural looking. I get my Flawless Concealer brush, dab it for it to blend. Dab it around. That looks a little bit crazy, but we're gonna fix that. The same thing over here. I feel like in the beginning stages of makeup, it always looks crazy. So it's mandatory for me to say I know it looks crazy. Because it does. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you guys. Now that that's blended in, I gotta be like a little bit heavy with the brush. That's blended in much better. Sometimes you need like, you know, gotta be a little rough with it. But again, it's not. I'm just spreading out the concealer, because sometimes that's all people have, and that's literally why I use just concealer. Even though I have foundation, sometimes I just use concealer, and especially for this video, I'm just using concealer because the only thing that you have is concealer. My brush just broke. I'm going to cry. We go back in with the concealer, and we go in the inner corner and the outer corner like that. You can drag it down a little bit if you want. And then again, inner corner and the outer corner like that. And we're gonna add a little bit to the edge of the nose and a little bit up here, a little bit. We're gonna go in with the concealer brush again. I don't let this sit. I know a lot of people let their concealer sit. I don't let this sit because this is a matte one, I believe. It's a matte one, so it's gonna dry faster than a regular one, I'm assuming. And yeah, so let's just go straight into it. Like this. Bring it under the eye. Go ahead and bring that out right there. So it's not a sharp line. But just so it looks snatched, you know? Snatched, but not like sharp. Y'all get it. And same thing over here. Bring it down. Again, like brush it out like that so it doesn't look too crazy. And then now when you get to the bridge of the nose, you drag it down like that. I think it's still there. My mess was already dry on my forehead. You can use your finger if you want to make sure it's really in there. Also, nail update. They're growing. I want to get a set of long nails, but I don't know how nail shops be. That's why I need a nail tech. I need a nail tech, please. Before I do my eyebrows, I'm gonna actually bake or set. I don't know, one of them. When you pat it in the powder, rub it on your hand first, the back of your hand first, so that it's not like a patchy type of thing. So let's see if it actually works. Honestly, I feel like that's better, especially when I go down here, because I do put the powder over my cheek on the back of my hand like that, so that it gets to be like a softer type of texture. About like that. See? Y'all see? Oh, Jesus. We're gonna fix that. I probably put too much powder. Put some on my nose, because you don't want my nose, I don't want my nose to be too shiny. Since I just concealed the inside of my nose, I wanted to give like a little contour look, but not too much. And I feel like right now it's like it's too much of a contour look. So we're gonna dab some powder all over my nose, because I do tend to get oily. There's always a way to fix something. Because I can even go in with my concealer brush and do a little something like this. Okay, so we're gonna use the concealer brush, another concealer brush by e.l.f. This is like a flat brush, kind of like looks like a flat brush. I'm gonna dab it on here, not too much, less is more. Carve my eyebrows, but only at the bottom. Drag it down. Can you see how neat that looks? Like, looks like your eyebrows are like freshly done, even though my eyebrows are literally crazy. Dab it on there just a little bit, not too much. And that is it. The rest of the excess powder that was on my hand, and we're gonna dab it right under the eyebrow where you just put the concealer. We want like a matte look. I really don't like a dewy look on me. Like, dewy looks are cute for like I don't know. They're cute, but I like to go for like a matte look, you know? Honestly, with my oily skin, this is probably gonna turn into a dewy look, so I can't even talk. This is right here, right above my brows, because we don't want it to be like too noticeable, you know? Okay, so now we're gonna do lashes, long awaited. Brush them out, comb them out, whatever you do. Make sure they're not clumped together. Really, all of my brushes and stuff are from e.l.f. Please sponsor me. I would love that. Just so I get a sponsor, you never know. Speak things into existence, guys. We're gonna curl the eyelash down to 6. I hold it not to curl. It's like I be wanting to get lash extensions, but I don't want to lose these. I don't want to worry about these not being here after. Then I rebrush them because they can get clumped up when you curl them. Honestly, leave it like this. But we're gonna add some mascara on, and we're using my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara that I've had for the longest. I need to re-up on mascara, guys, but it's like if it's not a necessity or like if it's not mandatory, then I won't re-up until it's like gone or like lost. Like I literally just had to rebuy my lip oil from Ulta because I lost it the other day and I couldn't find it. I think I left it somewhere. So I was like, you know what, I just have to buy it again because I can't go without lip oil. Like I literally use this as a moisturizer now. Oh my gosh, let me not think literally. I use this as a moisturizer now, so I don't have any Carmex or chapstick or nothing. So this was my only freaking one. Going in my mascara. Can I do a slight blink when I put it on? I'm doing a little bit at the bottom. I don't usually do this because it does leave a little residue, like when I wash my face. All right, guys, so the last part of this whole makeup look that just puts it all together, the lip combo. You just have to have a lip combo. So the one that I've been doing the most lately is with the NYX Butter Glosses. So in the shade Lava Cake and in the shade Fortune Cookie. Just show you guys how I do it. Y'all probably already know, but why not? It's a tutorial. Just watch. I can't really explain it. It's okay if you mess up because it's all gonna get mush. Like, how does she trust Christina on the first day talking about some, if I tell you something, don't frown. Girl, y'all don't even know each other. Obviously, she gonna tell the next person. I mean, I wouldn't, but then we're gonna go in with the Fortune Cookie, the lighter one, and we're gonna put that in the middle. And to finish off the look, I would put on my lip gloss that I got from the beauty supply store. Y'all can find this lip gloss literally at every beauty supply store probably. And this is in the Shea Butter scent. I don't go like that anymore. I literally just dab it on my lips and then I go like that. There we go. This will honestly be like the final look. Yesterday I didn't put any setting spray on because I feel like that made my face, it gave it the dewy look, but I honestly feel like it's just my skin being oily and I don't put any products on my forehead. I literally just put the baking powder and then that's it. But I'm gonna add a little bit more so that I won't be too noticeable. But again, I've been at work for the past 2 days, so that's probably why I was like extra oily than usual. I don't like to use setting spray because I don't wanna, like, why am I putting liquid on my face if I want it to be a matte look? But if I'm wrong, tell me that I'm wrong, guys, and let me know what freaking setting spray I should use because I use the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set setting spray. But yeah, guys, this is the finished look. When I do start to wear makeup often, I don't wear it to school. I literally only wear it to work. I don't know. I feel like it just gotta be like if I feel like doing it or if I have enough time in the morning, because I literally give myself an hour to get ready and then I go to the bus stop. I feel like this is much better than my last makeup video. But again, that was like a beginner makeup. This is like a no makeup look for like, what's after beginner? Medium? I don't know. But we're at like a higher level than we were in that video. So yeah, but this is, like I said, the finished look. Looks really cute, you know, like a little matte look. My lip combo, I do it every single day. Even if I don't have any makeup on my face, I will do my lip combo. I don't go without it. But yeah, guys, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below any of the videos you guys want me to do, and I'll do them as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.